Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum specifications, including a 64-bit processor and operating system, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card. Next, purchase and download the game from a digital storefront such as Steam. Once downloaded, install it and launch it from your game library. Remember to connect a working microphone, as voice communication is crucial for ghost hunting. Once in a lobby, you'll choose a contract and select your equipment. Each mission requires careful preparation. Your journal is vital for tracking objectives and recording evidence like EMF level 5, spirit box responses, or ghost orbs. Effective communication with your team via the in-game voice chat is paramount for survival and success. Your primary goal is to identify the ghost type by gathering 3 distinct pieces of evidence. Essential equipment includes the EMF reader, which detects electromagnetic field fluctuations, often indicating ghost activity. The spirit box allows you to ask questions and receive direct responses from the ghost. Don't forget the ghost writing book. Placing it in the ghost room might reveal unique messages. The thermometer is crucial for finding freezing temperatures, a key piece of evidence for certain ghost types. Mastering these tools is vital. To excel, learn the distinct behaviors and unique abilities of each ghost type. This knowledge is invaluable for accurate identification. Always monitor your sanity level, as low sanity can trigger dangerous ghost hunts. Smudge sticks are excellent for temporarily deterring aggressive ghosts, providing a brief window of safety. Finally, complete optional objectives to earn additional monetary rewards, which you can use to purchase better equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.